Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by preparing the radio and PC. Power the Ailunce HD1 to at least 50%, attach the antenna, and connect with a good USB-C cable. Once done, install the official CPS and the USB driver so the computer recognizes the device, then open the CPS. Make sure to download the matching firmware and save a full code plug backup to your computer. This protects your current settings before you write anything new to the radio. You should read the radio into CPS first, confirming the model ID and establishing a working baseline. Next, add channels with precise frequency, offset, tone or DCS, power level, and readable names. Group channels into zones for quick access. Once channels exist, configure scan lists and RX group lists, then assign function keys and side buttons for transmit power, monitor, or quick channels. Make sure to save your code plug file locally. You're ready to write? Verify all settings carefully and then write the code plug to the radio. If a firmware update is required, apply it before final write and do not interrupt power. After writing, power cycle the Ailunce HD1 and test transmit and receive on a trusted local frequency to confirm operation. If something goes wrong, first retry the USB driver or use another port, restore the saved backup code plug, and only repeat firmware updates when you have a stable connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.